Well, I've put this on Expo centering. I'm not sure what that setting means, but the other day I cut anti-shake off on this thing, and it seemed to improve this camera. It's a GE 600X, I think it is, or yeah. I just can't go in debt right now and get a better camera. Okay, I had four of the birds up there at one time. Once taken a bath, and the remainder of the bird seed there. I haven't put any extra bird seed out there right now, but they're kind of foraging around for everything. And just a little bit of hint of sunlight there coming in. Here comes the pretty one there. He kind of takes over. So beautiful. Okay, well, he seemed to be getting along and pairing up there pretty good. I guess in a little while I need to go out there. It's icy and cold this morning as it is, and get him another soup can full of bird seed in that thing. Anyway, there's one trying to come up there. Can't quite do it. You might go on the ground and forage. Just look down here on the ground and oh my, beautiful. I'm doing this through a kitchen window here inside the house. Extremely too cold this morning to be out there in, and even my plumbing has froze. No water coming out of the faucet. So unless you have a heated pump house, that's probably what you can imagine doing, even if you got all the wrapping, got it all wrapped up and all such things. Sometimes it freezes anyway. And letting water to drip, I've seen situations where the water would just freeze coming out of a faucet even. Depends, you know. Anyway, let's see if there's any life down here going on. I don't see anything. Nobody foraging around in the bottom so far. Okay. I think they've gone, because I throwed some seed out there in the garden itself, amongst all the old weeds there you see. And throwed some seed and some leftover garden compost out there. So they had the best of both worlds. The camera's trying to go out of focus, even though I try my best to keep it into focus. Eventually it just goes out. So, okay, I'm going to let this be it then.